Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power to the system so you don't cause a short. Turn off HVAC at the breaker or use the Nest display to put it in standby. Next, gather tools, a small flathead or a coin and the correct battery type. Check your model for CR2423 or CR2032 because the wrong cell won't seat or may leak. Once ready, press and gently twist or pull the outer ring to release the thermostat cover. You'll see the battery compartment immediately under the display. Now focus on the swap. This is where precision matters. You should first note the battery orientation and inspect for corrosion so you can address it if present. Then, using non-metallic tweezers or your finger, lift the old cell straight out. Avoid bending contacts. Insert the new battery with the positive side up as labeled and press firmly until you hear or feel a click. This ensures a solid electrical connection. Once seated, the Nest will perform a brief startup routine to confirm power. Finally, reassemble by aligning the cover tabs and snapping or twisting the ring until it sits flush. Do not force it if resistance feels wrong. Then restore HVAC power and give the thermostat 2 to 3 minutes to boot and re-establish connection with your system because the firmware may run checks. If it doesn't power on, make sure contacts are clean and the battery is the correct model. If problems persist, try a fresh battery or clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.